Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious zucchini snacks. So this is a simple recipe. Now let's get to the ingredients. So guys, these are the ingredients. That is Parmesan cheese, some salt, some flour, breadcrumbs, 2 eggs, black pepper, nutmeg, and the zucchini we are going to be using. So I'm going to be listing all the ingredients at description, so please check them out. Okay, so here is hot water. You need to boil hot water, add some salt inside the water. When the water starts boiling, then add your zucchini. This is about 3 zucchini. The zucchini is about 600 grams of zucchini, but I use 3 medium zucchini. Okay, so I'm going to allow the zucchini to cook until they are soft, which is about 10 minutes is enough. 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, here the zucchini is well cooked. Now I'm going to take the zucchini out of the water and allow the water to drain completely before adding other ingredients inside. So I'm adding the cooked zucchini in a plate or in a bowl, any working thing you want to use. Okay, so I'm going to add all the ingredients at this point. So go ahead and add all the ingredients. So mind you, I added 50 to 60 grams of breadcrumbs inside that zucchini. Okay, don't add too much of it, please, because you don't want them to be very strong, because you still have to coat them with breadcrumbs and egg. So into that bowl, I added another breadcrumbs, about 50 grams of breadcrumbs, and 50 grams of flour. I'm going to mix both together because that is what we're going to be using for the coating. So now it's time to start rolling them. They are soft, but when you cut them with that, the mixture of flour and the cornbread, they are okay. So this is why I say you should not add too much of that breadcrumbs into the zucchini mixture. So go ahead and coat everything, roll them in a ball or any shape of your choice. You can bake this, you can fry them, but I'm using frying method to do them. But if you don't want to fry, go ahead to bake everything. They are good the same. So while I was rolling the zucchini, I placed the oil to start heating up. So I'm going to add the zucchini balls into the oil, fry until each side is golden brown. So guys, this is the final result. You can have this with your salad. You can enjoy these snacks when you're watching movie, especially now that almost all over the world are under quarantine. This is very delicious to prepare, easy to make, few ingredients to use. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, share this video if you like it, and I will see you in my next video. And I'm also going to be opening one for you guys to see. Trust me, this is a healthy snacks for the whole family during this quarantine all over the world. So God bless you. Try it and get back to me. Okay, love you guys. Stay safe out there. Okay, bye.